Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine with you guys. Nobody requested for this, I'm just doing it so you guys can see. My skincare is really affordable. It's pretty, anybody can use it, anybody at all. So before we start this video, I just want to give you a little bit of history of my skin type and my skincare journey. So I have acne prone skin, first of all, and my skin is oily. That's the second thing that I need to put out there. Then also I've been suffering from acne for a very long time, but all of a sudden, my mom didn't really teach me about skincare, or I didn't really have a lot of people who were into skincare, so I just neglected my face, because my face was so dark. I neglected all of those signs that I was getting, sunburn and all of that stuff. So I would try skincare, but all of a sudden I would stop because I'm like, I can't be doing this every day. So I feel like now, because I'm older, I now understand the importance of skincare and I'm getting into it. Unlike before, like I didn't even care. Now my skin is like priority number one for me, so that's why I wanted to put out this video. It doesn't matter if you didn't start at a very young age, you can start now and transform your skin, and you can do it with affordable products. Okay, so I will definitely leave a clip, like some clips of my skin before now, so that you can see like the change. So I started this routine as at the 29th of May. Yes, 29th of May, that was when I started. And guys, this is, as at the time I'm filming this video, this is the 2nd of August, and my skin looks so improved. I feel like the skin just wants to be touched and pampered. That is just the main thing. Like that massage you do when you apply your cream, it gives you that firm look, and it shows that you're like putting in effort to your skin. So I don't want to talk too much, let's just get into it. But before I start, I'm going to talk about this shower gel. This is the Purest Glow. I have a review of this product, so you can check it. You would see all the ingredients. It contains AHA, BHA. I would do another video where you can see all of this. This is the holy grail for me. This shower gel is luxurious. It's just 3,500 naira, and you can use it for like 3 months, guys. So what you do is, if you're going to use it on your face, you just scrub, because it has like beads in it. Like I think it's I don't know what it's called, but it has those tiny particles in them. You just use it to, scrub your face. When you're starting, you need to scrub, like get in there, and afterwards you can just do it like once or twice a week. You scrub and you leave it for like 15-30 minutes before you wash it off. But this is the shower gel that I use. It doesn't do anything too drastic other than remove all those dead skin cells on your body. So the next thing I use is this Proxima lotion Podoluna. This is what it's called. Can you focus? Okay, so this is what it looks like. I also have a review on this. I've reviewed all of these products individually, so you can get into the ingredients. So I just use a cotton pad. So this is not, it has a very syrupy consistency, guys. Like it's not liquid. So I just use this and I clean my face like so. Clean my face. So I would advise that you avoid like under your eye area. This does not have any harsh ingredient. It's just according to what's written here, and the person who recommended this for me, it's just floral water and natural plant juice. That's the ingredient. And once you use this to clean your face, you can see like there's dirt on the cotton swab, even though I just had my bath like It's crazy. So I'm just going to use that to clean. So what this does is it helps me fade away like my scars, because I have a lot of scars, guys. Like, I'm going to reduce this. So I don't know if you can see it, but I have scars. I'll do an up close video on my skin, like even under my chin. Like, I have ingrown hair scars there, so it helps to fade away those scars. There are two other types in this range, but I use the pink one. So once I'm done cleaning, I go in with two of these. So this is Anisa Gold and this is Pearly Cosmetics. So what this does is, like, this is a shelly consistency. So it's basically, I use this at night because I can't, like, if you rub it on your face it's going to be white, but this one has a cream-like consistency. So I'm going to be using this one for the day, since this is my daytime routine. I use them both at night, but I use this during the day. So all of these products, I will list them in the description box, so you want to check those out. I just take a little, I don't do much, and when I apply, don't forget your neck, guys. Apply all over the neck, and yeah, then you tap so that it gets in there. You can drag that to your what's it called, your chest area as well, because I also have sunburn on my chest and acne too on my chest. So you just drag this product down. Whatever you do for your face, do it for your chest as well.
If you suffer from fungal acne, get a 3-in-1 antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory cream with key ingredient neomycin to control the production of acne.
Then afterwards, I use my vitamin C oil. I'm using this one from, can you just focus? I'm using this one from Disa 100% natural vitamin C oil. So what this does is just, it helps to give my skin that beautiful glow. So this is it. And one thing I like about this oil is this vitamin C oil is that it sinks into your pores. It's not, you know, when you rub oil on your face, it gives you like that oily effect, oily look, but this one sinks into your pores. It's not too thick, it's a light consistency oil, so you just massage that in. Oh, so luxurious. Like, your face loves to be pampered, so go ahead and massage all those lines away. Beautiful. So once I'm done with that, so during the day, because this is a daytime, I use this sunscreen. You can't forget your sunscreen, guys, because if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria to be precise, sun would deal with you. In fact, so I use my choice 60 plus sunblock. So I just take a little, because I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just going to do for my face only. I apply this on my hands, my legs, my chest area. Avoid, so just apply that like so. So that's basically it, guys. That's my skincare routine. And then I go in with my lip balm. I use this Chapet one. I just do that. That's my routine. It's that simple. Like, my skin has gone through a lot because of sun, but now that I have a sunblock, I have a cleanser to help me correct all of those dark spots and everything. Like, my skin feels so much better, and I'm just so grateful that I grew up into the skincare thing, because I don't know why I've been sleeping on it. So this is basically what I do for my skin to get this glowy skin. So I will leave all the products, like I said, in the description box. Make sure you check it out. If there's anything you need, leave your question in the comment section. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'll be leaving videos like this all the time, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.